Everyone talks about the up rollout. Nobody talks about why you suck at it. The up rollout looks simple. It's not. You're holding your entire body in a straight line while fighting gravity pulling you to the floor. That means your deep core, gluts, lats, and serratus all have to fire at once to keep your ribs down and your spine neutral. Most people fail for 3 reasons. 1. No bracing asterisk. You're rolling out with a loose core, so your lower back hyperextends. That's the OW you feel. 2. No lat tension asterisk. Your arms are just holding on. The lats are supposed to pull you back. If they're asleep, your shoulders take over and you collapse. 3. Too much, too soon asterisk. You skip the 3 months of work that let you control the movement. Then you blame the exercise. We are fixing all 3. Before we touch a wheel, learn to brace. Lie on the floor. Hands up like you're reaching for the ceiling. Now press your lower back into the floor by pulling your ribs down and squeezing your gluts. Hold 10 seconds. That's the position you hold for every rollout progression. If you lose it, the set is over. No reps count if your ribs flare and your back arches. This isn't optional. The rollout is an anti-extension exercise. Your job is to prevent movement, not create it. Start on the floor. Arms up, knees up at 90 degrees. Lower the opposite arm and leg slowly, keeping your lower back glued to the floor. Bring them back. That's 1 rep. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 per side. Rest 60 seconds. This teaches you to brace while your limbs move. If your back lifts off the floor, you went too far. Shorten the range. When you can do 3 times 10 per side with 0 back movement, you're ready for level 2. Get in a forearm plank. Feet together, ribs down, gluts squeezed. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand. Reset. Tap your right shoulder with your left hand. 3 sets of 20 taps total. This adds shoulder stability and lat engagement while keeping the anti-extension demand. Most people rock their hips. Don't. Move only your arm. When this feels boring, you're ready for the wheel. Now we use the wheel, but we shorten the lever. Stand to feet from a wall. Kneel down. Wheel on the floor. Roll out until your hands touch the wall and roll back. Keep everything braced. This limits how far you can go, so you learn tension without collapsing. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest 90 seconds. Every week, take 1 small step back from the wall. More distance is equal to harder. Stop when your form breaks. That's your working range for the week. Strength is built on the way down. From your knees, roll out as far as you can control, even if it's 4 inches. Then let yourself drop and reset. The only part that matters is the slow 3-second lowering. 3 sets of 5 to 8 eccentrics. This is where people make the jump. You're teaching your core to handle load in the lengthened position. No bouncing. No cheating. Control it down. Reset. Now you earn the full rep. Knees down, wheel under shoulders. Brace. Roll out until your hips almost touch the floor. Then pull back using your lats and core, not your low back. Not momentum. Start with 3 sets of 3 to 5 reps. That's it. If you can't keep your ribs down, you're not ready. Go back to eccentrics. When you hit 3 times 8 with perfect form, you can start testing standing rollouts. Mistake 1 asterisk. Looking forward. Your neck is part of your spine. Keep your chin tucked, eyes 6 inches in front of your hands. Mistake 2 asterisk. Rolling fast. Speed hides weakness. After 8 to 12 weeks of this, 2 things happen. First, your rollout looks clean. No wobble, no sag, full control. Second, everything else gets stronger. Squats feel tighter. Deadlifts feel safer. Your lower back stops complaining after long days. That's because you built the actual job of the core, resisting unwanted motion under load.